Okay, so unlock your car, and when you unlock your car, you see that small light right there. Okay, now let's go look at this side. You see that small light out there? It's not on. Right there. It's not on. Replace that light bulb. It's easy. Watch. So what you do is you pop this open, which is real easy to do, and you replace that light right there. Okay? Hey, what up everybody? This your boy from the burbs. Anyway, check this out. So we're going to try to change the light. We have an issue here. BMW is saying that I have, well, never mind. These newer BMWs are a lot more reliable, okay? Not like the older BMWs, but you still have issues on these cars, okay? Like this parking issue. I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm gonna show you how this is done. And as you can tell, we have a small issue here, parking lamp issue, which is not a real big issue, but you may wanna take care of it. It's real easy to do. All right, so as you can see my vehicle right there, all the lights are on, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put my car in park. I'm gonna switch my car off. All right, car off. I'm gonna take my key. I'm gonna show you this, watch. You see that small light out there? It's not on. Right there. It's not on. Replace that light bulb. It's easy. Watch. So what you do is you pop this open, which is real easy to do, and you replace that light right there. Okay? Okay, so you twist this way, lefty-loosey, and then easy twist this. So what you do with this is how it comes out, like that. All you do is twist, you see these little, and you're good. Boom. There's the part number. Okay, here we go. $7. $7. All right, so the new one's in. Let's put it back in. Twist to your right, gently. There we go. You hear that click, and you're done. Hey, what up everybody? So hopefully that helps. Rate, like, subscribe, holla at your boy. If you like, subscribe. I mean, I'm not gonna like make you, even though I can't say subscribe or else.